Okay, this is your 3010 Dell PC. Again, this is how you get the hard drive removed. Okay, this one's pretty simple. You pull up on this lever right on the side, lift it up, and just pull the cover right off. Okay, that's easy enough. Hard drive's pretty easy on this one. There's a couple wires right here you can pull off ahead of time. Again, if you can't pull them off, if you got the unit unplugged, you can cut them. And then there's just a simple blue carrier here. You just unclip it, comes right out. No tools required. They're just little pins that go into the side of the hard drive. So that one's done.